You just found the 2023 Nissan Kicks. Here's a tech-savvy Kicks that knows what you need to make travel fun. From its nimble handling to its roomy interior, trendy style, and touchscreen infotainment, this snazzy small SUV offers larger-than-life value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, satellite radio, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection. Enjoy the satisfaction of affordable comfort in this roomy Kicks. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.